Hello everyone, it's your host CodeCrafter. Today we are exploring the world of data processing with PySpark on a Databricks Community Edition. Get ready to dive into the LeetCode SQL challenge with datasets and code running right on the Databricks. Let's dive in.
On today's LeetCode solution on a PySpark, we are going to solve problem number 595, finding big countries. So they have given the world table consisting of columns of name, continent, area, population, and GDP. So what they have asked is we have to find the name, population, and area of the big countries. So they specified the big countries as it need to be at least area need to be at least 3 million square kilometers, or population or population need to be at least 25 million. So if you see the example, you'll get an idea. So this is the world table consisting of columns with if you see the condition, what they have specified is area need to be at least 3 million. So if you see here, area, is there any area more than 3 million? See, this is a 2.3 million and this is 1.2 million, but none of the conditions satisfied. But is a or condition also, another condition is there. So the population need to be at least 25 million. So population need to be at least 25 million. If you see the Afghanistan row, Afghanistan have a more than 25 million population and Algeria has 25 million population. So that's why we got the output like this. But yeah, we have to if we don't have area there, we have to specify the condition, because we don't know the other use cases. So let me give you the solution on a Databricks notebook. So that's it. Yeah, I have moved into the community edition of Databricks, and I already started the cluster named as CodeCrafter. So yeah, I have already attached to it. So I'm just importing the necessary libraries here, which is SQL functions of column. So and SQL types of struct type, struct field, and struct type, string type, and integer type, and long type, because we are creating data frame. Similar to the LeetCode data sets. So let me just import the necessary modules or libraries, and I'm just creating a data frame similar to the LeetCode as I said before. So we are going to solve the problem number 595, right? So if you see here, I'm just defining the schema, and I'm adding the data. I'm just creating a data frame with it. So let me run the code, and it's just a transformation. It's not an action. That's why we are unable to see any solution here. So if you see here, I'm just we already have a world data frame we have created, and I'm just creating a resulted data frame. So based on the filter conditions, as I said before, so area need to be at least 3 million, population need to be at least 25 million. So it is a or condition. Either area condition need to be satisfied, or population condition need to be satisfied. So we are just going with the transformation here, not calling any action here. So if you see the next line of code, I'm just calling an action, which is show. So I'm just selecting the necessary columns what we need to print. So the resulted data frame need to show these columns. So let me try to print it out. Yeah, see, job is running. So jobs ran. So that's it. We got the successfully successful output. That's it.
That's it for today's PySpark LeetCode solution on our Databricks Community Edition. Ready for more? Check out the links for SQL and Pandas. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.